Second thing that happened is that TPS was extended for Honduras, Nepal, and Nicaragua. And this was also another female judge, U.S. District Judge Trina Thompson, and she ruled that the termination of TPS for these three countries was legally flawed and potentially biased based on race. And as a result, TPS for these three countries is now extended automatically through November 18th while the case continues. So if you're from any of those countries, go ahead, and you hadn't yet extended your TPS, go ahead and do that. TPS had tried to end TPS earlier this year, and the court found that the reasoning lacked proper review, as well as there was a lot of racially charged language. The third thing, there's a class action lawsuit that was filed against this no bail deportation policy that started with a memo from ICE on July 8th. Civil rights group sued to block this new Trump policy that eliminates bond hearings for undocumented immigrants. Basically, the government was saying if you had come inside the country without permission, that you were completely ineligible to file for bond, meaning that you had to be detained the entire time your immigration hearing was pending, which was previously otherwise only for people who had come in by water or who had been paroled into the country. Those people were already considered arriving aliens, and only ICE can let them out. The government was trying to also include anybody who came in undocumented, and it's really a stretch of how you would interpret that in the law. But this lawsuit is also is basically it's going to put that on stop while they continue to litigate this issue, right? So let's see what happens on that.